Another child from Bath in St. Thomas is missing.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Reports coming out of Bath in St. Thomas is that another child has gone missing. This comes on the heels of 9-year-old Felicia Presea being found alive after she was kidnapped from her home in Bottomyard district on Thursday, October 14, by 45-year-old Davian Bryan, who is still on the run. In this latest incident, 13-year-old WINSHAE Barrett, who lives in the Rhinebump area of the same Bottomyard district where Felicia was abducted, is believed to be missing. At this time, no official statement has been released by the police, but a source within the Jamaica Constabulary Force has confirmed that the child is missing. The source was, however, not able to provide much information about the circumstances surrounding Barrett's disappearance. When asked if the rumors circulating on social media that Davian Bryan may be involved in this second case, the official said the police are not ruling out anything at this time. At the time of this publication, Barrett's mode of dress at the time she went missing is still unknown. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of WINSHAE Barrett is being asked to contact the Bath Police at 876-703-4021, the Police 119 emergency number, Crime Stop at 311, or the nearest police station.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!